This is your Weather Extreme video for Saturday, June the 30th. I'm Brian Peters. Thanks for tuning in, and unfortunately, it looks like the heat just keeps a-blazing away. There's a look at our Skycam network from Selma this morning, and a very placid river, and kind of getting down there as drought conditions continue to worsen, especially across the southeastern sections of the state, but drought conditions basically occurring with abnormally dry weather across all of the state. There's a look at the Skycam shot from Mount Cheaha, highest point in the state of Alabama, Cheaha State Park. Surface high pressure has been cutting moisture off, but it looks like moisture might be on the increase just a little bit over the next several days, and that moisture increase could be enough to help set off a few scattered showers. In the upper atmosphere, we're still dealing with an upper ridge that is very strong and going to be producing temperatures in the 102 to 104 range across central Alabama for today. Heat is just across the country, as you can see from all these yellow and orange values, 70s and 80s across much of the lower half of the country, all the way from the southwest across the southeastern U.S. Again, we are looking at the possibility of some showers over the next 2 to 5 days. Probably not today, but at least beginning tomorrow and into much of the upcoming week. Looks like we could see some heat-driven afternoon and early evening showers and thunderstorms. And with the heat the way it is and the possibilities that we have tomorrow, it looks like if we do get any thunderstorms, even though they will be isolated tomorrow, it looks like they could produce damaging wind gusts. There's the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for today, and of course the bulk of the weather well to our north across the Ohio River Valley and back into the Central Plains state for the slight risk. And then tomorrow, of course, the slight risk still extends down into the Ohio River Valley and the Mid-Atlantic states, but you see the C-text down there in the southeast, and that's for the possibility of those isolated storms that could produce some damaging winds. That's day 2. That would be Sunday and early Monday. There's a look at the graphics for the tropical Atlantic, and we're looking at 3 areas. None of them at the moment appear likely to do anything. Of course, number 1 is the remnants of Debbie. Number 2 is the one that's been coming across the South Atlantic for the last couple of days, and again, not likely in the next 48 hours. And then we do have an area of cloudiness in the western Gulf, and that one only about a 10% chance. All right, here's the modeling from 06, the GFS model run. And of course, we have the ridge over us, but the ridge is kind of backing off just a hair on Sunday. And that means that we'll see moisture coming up, especially into Texas and the lower Ohio River, the lower Mississippi River Valley. And that changes a little bit as we see a little short wave coming across from Iowa, coming down across the top of the ridge, and that will help to lower thicknesses. And I think by Monday, Sunday another hot day, but I think by Monday we could see temperatures wane just at least a couple 3 degrees, maybe back to say 100, 101 or so, which is not much, but it's at least some break. The little short wave comes through into the Ohio River Valley on Tuesday, and that certainly looks like that might increase our chances for at least scattered showers during the afternoon and early evening, and that would certainly be a welcome relief. Wednesday, the little trough moves into Georgia, and keeping things still a bit unsettled for us, so still some chance for showers. And still on Thursday, you can see that the ridge is a little to our west. The main ridge is a little to our west, and so we're getting just a little bit of enhancements there, and with the heat of the day and temperatures probably coming down with thicknesses into Friday, we see chances for daily chances for showers and thunderstorms. And you can see that even on Friday, it looks like there's a fairly good chance, maybe a dying frontal boundary that could be in our area. When we get into a week from today, unfortunately, it looks like the ridge begins to build stronger off to our west, but we do have little disturbances in there, and certainly, hopefully, we'll see the continuation of scattered showers so that at least a few of us get some rain. Looking out into the future, and of course there's not much to tell, but this is the 15th of July, and certainly a hot pattern in store for us, with the main ridge still a little to our west, but certainly a big ridge covering, gosh, just about all of the United States. Well, keep in mind the heat advisory is in effect through Sunday. Temperatures getting up into the 102 to 104 range, with heat indices getting up into the 107, 108 range. So just keep that in mind for today. I hope that you have a great day, and Godspeed.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.